So what we're gonna do is to put some material. So I have one cowl material here. Can use this one. And the reason it doesn't look like this is because I don't have UVs. So I can actually do the UVs inside. I can click project UVs here. And now you can see I have my UVs. And I can scale this. And if you can see, if you want to check the checkerboard, you can use like this. Or you can use keep original. Or you can change like a cylinder or a plane or a cube. In my case, the cube works okay for me, so I don't need it, and I don't need any other. I can actually scale this one like this if you want to change the UVs. But for now, for our purposes, this one just works as fine. And you can just change the checkerboard density or whatever. So now that I have this, just click accept. And I can actually put any kind of material I want. I can put my cliff here if I want.